everyone, I'm Tamika Clooney, and as some of you know, I am an Herbalife independent distributor. So I ordered some products last week, and I want to unbox for you. This is this is the box. First up, the shake. Yes, this is a Dutch chocolate shake. One of my favorite. This is my favorite shake. It's a meal replacement shake and it's good. Another shake, wild berry, nice. I bought the herbal aloe concentrate for digestive health and it's in the mango flavor and I just tasted it and it is awesome. This is the multivitamin. This is for a customer. So I bought it for a customer. And I'll be giving him soon. Yeah. And guess what? You can't be out of the NRGT. We have 5 NRGTs. 5 NRGT. Oh, sorry. And then I bought the conditioner, I bought the shampoo, and finally I bought the Andam body wash. Tremendous. These are amazing products, and if you want to order these products, you can just direct message me and I will talk to you. And I'm a wellness coach, so I am able to tell you what you're supposed to eat or you're supposed to do and all of those facts. So thank you for watching.